So I've been working on the Lava user portal, and so let me give you a quick demo of the same. So as you can see, this is the login screen. I'll show you that here. Uh, I've entered the credentials, and now I can select the organization, the desired organization, and this is the feed. Uh, you can see the feed. Uh, you can like unlike any post, uh, and then you can create any post from the portal itself. Okay, so as you can see, the post is visible here, and uh, you can also leave any comments on any post if you like. Mhm. As you can see, the comment is visible here, and also the number of comments are updated. So this is the event screen. Here you can see all the events. So as of now, only the list view is available. I'm working on the calendar view. It will actually need an external library if you want to build uh, the calendar view. So I'll push it in the next PR, the calendar view. And these are the events. As you can see, some events have already registered tags, which shows that I've been already registered to that particular event. So, and you can search the events from. Okay. It will use the event title for searching. Uh, okay. Let's see the search result, and then uh, you can see that whenever it is not an all day event, you can see the time of the event when it starts or when it ends. As you can see, I have registered uh, to this event, and I have got a confirmation toast. This is the people screen. You can see all the members here, and you can also search for any member if you like. And this is the admins. I select the admins option. And this is the donation screen. Here you can see all your previous donations. Uh, and this is the uh, and you can enter the donation amount if you want to donate. The implementation of this donation thing is not working yet because I didn't know exactly what would be the procedure, like how the payment would proceed after this. We can discuss it later. Uh, so, I've added the multilingual support too. Here's the settings screen. I can change my details. Profile. Um, I'll just keep it text. Then I'll press save. As you can see, my name has been changed here. And on every field, you can see, on every component, you can see that name has been updated. Mm, okay. I can also update my profile picture by selecting an image from my local system. For example, I've selected this image and now I will click on save. Now this image is being uploaded to the backend and you can see that my image is visible here now. Okay. And, You can leave the arguments if you want. As you can see, posted. And you can also create an event from the Lava user portal itself. If you click the start time and the end time, and you can see that.
We got a
Uh,
question from Noman. Hang on a second, Noble. Noman, please go ahead.
Why we need to an option to create an event in a user portal? I think creating an event is only for admin.
No, we also wanted to allow regular users to create an event because if we stop them from creating event from the user portal, so they will have to use some external app like Google Calendar for
But,
arranging
but the
events.
event is specific to the organization. Only admin has the access to create an event.
No, no,
Actually, I had this doubt too, but I asked Peter, so he said that we should
no, we're going to have to
follow.
make any person be able to create an event, and the reason for that is because we may find uh, it doesn't make sense having members of the organization not being able to create events for if they want to create their own little group, or else they're going to start using some external app, just like what Noble is saying. So
I hope.
the admins will be creating events that are probably visible to the entire organization, and we will have events that of the individuals will be able to use. As to the limits of the events, as to what the admin event capabilities are, we're going to have to think about that in later on. But at the moment, the ability to create events by both users and admins is something that we want.
Okay, got it.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Go ahead, Noble.
Yeah, yeah. And yes, I've added all the languages support here. Uh, you see that for all the screens, I've added the multilingual support.
Okay.
Okay, so that's it. Uh, that was for the focus status of Kalava use portal.
Thanks. If you can stop sharing, that'd be great. Um,
Sure.
so the question that I have is, I see that this is useful in a web browser. How does this render on a tablet and like a mobile
Yeah,
device?
it is fully responsive, so there won't be any issues
Okay.
for that.
All right, because some of the screens that you had, they actually had three columns, like I think on the profile screen, and I was wondering how that would render in a mobile app, for example.
Yeah, actually the sidebars would be hidden in the mobile view.
Oh, I see.
That's
Okay, thanks.
this is something we will need to do for mobile view because mobile users won't be using much, I think, the web version because they already have the mobile version. Okay.
Right. Well, we don't know. Some people may may not
Yeah.
have a useful phone. I'm really pleased to see what's been going on. The fact that we have functionality that A works, we don't have any crashes, which is really good. That those these are great improvements over where we were a year ago. And so, Noble and all the others, thank you very much for the contributions that you've made. This is really positive. I think in 2024 we'll be able to really see whether rail organizations can use what we have and that will be the real test of the of our abilities.